Today's quick tip, it's very simple, but I think it will help. Sometimes you want to work on your bicycle, in your Brompton, and you're afraid to, make the floor dirty. I do have a plastic to put underneath, but I don't know, it moves a lot. So what I'm gonna do is buy not really a yoga mat, but a mat that in this case it's so cheap. It's 19 reais. It's like $3 and I'm gonna put underneath my Brompton. Let's check it out. Another thing that I use this for, it's when I put my Brompton inside of an Ikea bag, I put this around it, cut it and put it around. Well, because it's expensive and easy to use. Let's check it out. I got back home with my little hack, so let's see if it works, because it was so cheap and my floor is white and I want to protect it. First, I'm gonna try to take it out in a way that I can use this plastic wrap around, so it'll be easier to put it back. So what I'm gonna do is roll it a little bit more so it gets smaller, and this way it's easier to take it out. Nice, isn't it? So let's see. Basically, that's it. Just unroll it and see if it stays. Maybe it doesn't stay. Oh, it's a bit narrow. See? But I think it will do it for today's work. We'll be fine. Well, it does protect the floor, so I'm gonna use it until it ends it. Okay, it's a very simple hack, but another thing that I use this for is to pack my Brompton when I put in a Ikea bag. I put the Brompton in the Ikea bag, then I put some cardboard. I protect here, the between, and protect the parts that's sticking out, This here, we take it out when we travel with the Brompton. But protect the things, the little parts that are sticking out. And on top of this, I put this little thing. Yeah, it's cheap and it does protect. It's always good to be safe than sorry. I hope you did like it. It is a very quick tip. This week we're gonna have lots of little quick tips. And we're gonna have the torque. Yes, will be a video just about torque. That will be a hard one. Well, I hope you did like it. Thumbs up and be part of it. Sign up because there'll be lots of quick tips this week. Bye-bye.